Hi, welcome back. Ahram here. Today we continue our playthrough in Honkai Star Rail version 4.2, So Love the Masses. Before we begin, I forgot to mention at the beginning of every playthrough, if you can check my YouTube banner to see what I'm currently doing in playthrough. So, for example, you will see the image of Silver Wolf and Evanesia, basically the banner for this Honkai Star Rail playthrough right now, but at the time of this recording, because I'm still record Star Rail, of course, but yeah, just to keep in mind moving forward. Let's do a bit of recap before we start the story. So last time we continue the story directly after 4.1. So at the end, when we saw the giant Phantasmoon talk, this patch literally begin right after that, in that same location. So after that, we talk about this Phantasmoon thing, the thing that they said about the whole become permanent thing. I technically I got spoiled from, not really. So I learned about this from the live stream reaction because the developer said that, but I forgot that in game the subtitle when the Phantasmoon talk is literally in the bottom, but it's just too small. I didn't pay attention back then, so I didn't realize that the Phantasmoon have something. I think I said something. What did it mean? Something like that when I react for the first time at the end of 4.1 story. But yeah, so we do that, and then after that scene, we move to Astral Express to discuss what we're gonna do next before Pearl make a call and then talk about stuff what happened during last patch, the whole thing with the media and the full with TV. So we decided to just keep a lay low for a time being, and then Himiko invite us to go to Graphite Academy again to search information about Full Wish Mangan. So that's it about the recap. That's not really something I want to talk about before that, but there's something else I want to talk about. So last time in the video I said I will recheck again a few things. First, the context, the supplicant 15 years ago. So I have write down the name, by the way, the supplicant list for 15 years ago, but I think it's better if we go in, just check the note ourselves in the game. But yeah, but before that, while I searching for where did I read, which video did I read, which is part 12, I found out. I checked other part and then I found out something that I forgot to mention. First, Adlifum. Adlifun, remember the plant Adlifun I keep mentioning related to Silver Wolf? That's my guess. Now that I read that again, the Adlifun planet got destroyed by Nanook long time ago, and then when I read that from the note, it said something about maybe the author of the Fluffy Across the Blue original birthplace is Adlifum, because I believe they said the whoever investigate the author of Across the Blue before Nihilux reveal her identity during the fest. They said that the author knew about the landscape or the thing about Adlifum, which mean, are you saying that Nihilux from Adlifum? So it has nothing to do with Black Silver Wolf, but instead this is part of Nihilux's backstory in the future, because again we still have not seen her Dream Market, which means she probably further away, probably after Blade, which is, yeah, I think she will be in 4.4. So I don't know, it will be a while about that. So yeah, the Adlifun thing, we will see more about that. And something I forgot to mention when I tried to explore back then at the end of 4.1 patch, I didn't finish, like I said. I realized something. A lot of people, excluding the whole non-human thing like dark, and the mecha thing. So apparently, most of the people that living in Palancardia is technically Imaginae, which means my biggest question about this reveal is, what happened if Imaginae leave Palancardia? This is something that they also talk about before, but does Imaginae able to live outside of Palancardia? If yes, then I have a theory. What if? Remember when Himeko told us, not told us, Himeko want to talk about how did she survive the disease thing, withering curse thing? What if Himeko is Imaginae? That's my question. I don't know. We'll see. That is if Imagine able to live outside of Palancardia, but we don't know yet. Anyway, let's go in. So yeah, I wanna name every single supplicant because, again, I said this. The reason I do this because remember that the developer said that Evanesia joined a few Phantasmoon game in the past. But if I remember 15 years, I don't know if this is 15 years ago, maybe like more in the past, but at least 15 years ago, none of them kind of look like Evanesia, because let's go check first. If you go to, I think, bookshelf, right? Let's go to the planet, Palancardia. I think the note is in yellow. This one, I think. See, we have the name Armstrong, that's one. Harburg, 2. Gardener, 3. Blackbird from The Fool, 4. And then Carter Pissarro from Morning Actor, that's 5. And followed by Physical Magical Girl, which is over here, this one. This is a supplicant as well. A Nomadic Miner, this is 6. And then we have this one, Red Hair Woman wielding a brush, Himeko, 7. And then the supplicant goes out of control. This is Herald of Death, I think. What's funny about Herald of Death is the Department of Aberration Defense count him as Aberration. Aberration codename Herald of Death was successfully neutralized by Department of Aberration Defense. What I don't understand is, if a supplicant count as Aberration technically, so when you become supplicant, you become Aberration, you become Imaginae, because Herald of Death here is count as Aberration. So I don't know if this is the actual supplicant, then it's fine. But if this is the Aberration, which was created by the actual Herald of Death, I think I said this before during the playthrough as well when I read this. What if the real Herald of Death is still alive and it's the one helping Full Wish? Which one? The name of? So Marcus Antoli is that the name of the Herald of Death? But what if that is the Aberration name? So the actual Herald of Death we never seen before. I don't know. We'll see. Just have to find out. See, of all the name here, which one do you think Evanesia? If Evanesia join this Phantasmoon game, the only one I can think of is this one, Physical Magical Girl. But is it Is this Evanesia? I don't know. Which is somehow conspire secretly with Carter Pissarro, a Morning Actor, which we haven't seen that faction yet. So I don't know. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna say. Which one is Evanesia there? If Evanesia even in the game. So again, let's continue. In the Shadow of Millennium. Okay, we changed the subtitle already. So the philosophy of tourists is really short. Philosophy, I don't understand what it means. So yeah, in the Shadow of the Millennium, head to Gravia Academy and continue your adventure. Continue your adventure? What do you mean? Petal and grace, the branches are not always blessing of new life. Petal that grace the branch, they might well be the curse of abundance. But really went down in the punishment game 15 years ago. Okay, we can learn more about that. I feel like when we go to this area, the Graphy Academy, we will possibly meet someone, you know, beside Himeko, us going there. I think my guess maybe Evanesia. So let's teleport to the closest one, which is here. In a courtyard, interesting. Oh, immediately, okay. I just realized that's the tree. I mean, okay, never mind. When we went to, I forgot to mention this. When I saw that giant golden tree in the middle of the courtyard, I just realized something. When we on the way to reach Graphy Academy, we have a lot of golden tree, which I assume it was auto decision. Is that actually ambrosial arbor or abundant? The golden tree in Graphy Academy entrance? I wonder. Not to mention, I also remember the background set that Avanesia used when she disappeared. Also a golden tree, but that one makes sense because Avanesia, you know, abundant. Anyway, okay, what do you say, March 7? After Sokrat Dream Campus Experience, when at the back. Okay, this is something that I am also questioning. Remember the photo that March 7 has? It's shown Evanesia in the picture. How? Let's see how that's supposed to be. You're supposed to call this your alma mater now. It's infection. Speaking of Hibana, did nobody talk about Hibana? Remember? Okay, technically we are the one who being messaged by Hibana Hanabi, you know, I don't know. But if you think about it, we never told the rest of the crew what we saw, which is interesting. I don't know why. Not to mention again the Silver Rope dialogue thing. We also didn't told them about that yet, which I believe connected to the Phantasmoon. Still. Okay, masuk. Should we talk to Ryusuke? Atau Himiko said that she gonna make Ryusuke at least not in the Pulancardia during this Phantasmoon game, just in case something happened to him. So let's yeah, what about the teacher that looked like the thing? Forgot her name. Oh. Okay. I thought because you said your father gonna be okay. Sure. You still here. Okay. Yeah, fine. I thought we're gonna. Yeah, sure. Even though technically he's not here during the incident 15 years ago, which is interesting. Technically you here, Himiko, you should know about. Yeah, technically Himiko knew about something. She's here. I mean, I guess this is aftermath because I believe after Himiko done with the Phantasmoon game, she become navigator, right, of the Astral Express. Is this tree? Is this just a normal tree, not golden? I guess it's not golden. I mean, it's not ambrosial arbor because the branch doesn't have the golden thing, the symbol of. You know, Yoshi, abundant stuff, golden tree, brains. I haven't explored this, so I know nothing about this area. Except for when we're searching for that one thing back then. Okay, the location is the same. Graphia Academy is Dean. Is Ryusuke permanently here? I thought she gonna leave by Himeko's thinking. Not thinking. Wish, I guess. Why are you saying that? Technically, Himeko was here last time. Before we went together to the thing, not to the thing, you know what I mean, to the fest. Himeko was here with you, Ryusuke, talking about the lore, history of Graphia family. Oh, about this. Okay, I see. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. That's your father. Did you block your father or something, Himeko? Unless you didn't answer him because he sent multiple texts instead of one. せめてメッセージか電話の一本くらい。おっと、もちろん君たちの勇姿もニュースで見ていたぞ。なかなか見事な戦いぶりだった。なんとかじゃたちめ、身の程知らずにも俺の娘の部下たちに挑もうなんて100年早かったな。なんか今の言い方だと。Warlord Himeko. Aren't we underling if Himeko is the navigator in a sense, not supplicant, because you know we are the supplicant. Oh, foreshadowing. Well, ain't gonna happen. Of course, Grandpa. I got it, Grandpa. 父さんとあんたが揃うといつも話があさっての方へ飛んでくんだもの。私なら大丈夫。あんたの娘は陶器の人形みたいに壊れやすくなんてないわ。それと今回ここに来たのはもちろん分かっているとも。ここへは娘としてではなく請求列車のナビゲーターとして来た。そうだろう。それで新たな棺間の件で何か進展でもあったのか。I just said something. The back sound is louder than normal. What? Okay, this is something again. The whole Focus TV manipulating the news. Oh, never mind. It's the full with stuff again. Yeah, apartment. Yeah, okay. Yep, that's what I said. 15年前、俺はここにいなかったし、彼女は間違いなく我が校の優秀な卒業生だからな。Then what about me? You can answer this. 君たちがこの件に巻き込まれていることは知っていたから。Yeah, exactly. 役に立つといいんだが。ありがとう、ユウスケさん。さあ。I feel like something gonna happen when we reach this archive room. I don't know. Maybe not, but we will see. Alright, about full wish. 実のところ、俺が彼女の名前を知ったのは15年前の棺間の事件が起こった後だった。Is full wish the family name or her name? Because full wish TV usually named after family name, unless it's all her. No, I remember it is something when Kuchiba and Asfel talk about full wish. I believe it was the family name. Full wish is the family name because it talk about the daughter of the something full wish. Anyway, I think that's what happened. Blah 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 blah.
それは本当にそこまで言わないとダメか。教育者として最低限の威厳までなくしたくはないんだが、身勝手なことだと分かっていた。それでも当時は彼女の名前を耳にするたび、こう思わずにはいられなかった。
What?
あの惨劇を生き残れた人がいるのなら、どうして
Okay, I remember because you think Himiko is gone.
とね。15年前、俺はとある薬乞いの州長のために
Oh,
巨大な
Elixir
地上
Seeker.
に描くという依頼を受けてゴリアビデ星へ向かっていたんだ。その人物があまたの病に効く霊薬を持っているという噂を聞いてのことだったが、
Okay, something about weathering
仕事を
course.
終えて故郷に戻った時には全てが変わっていた。学校では大事件が起き、娘も
So again, Elixir Seeker. I still don't know how Evanesia related to them. I don't know. We'll see. I guess it's. But yeah, okay. Speaking of this whole dialogue, and Himiko respond. So, what if my theory is true that the Himiko with us here is imaginary aberration, not the real Himiko. What if, I don't know. Because the Withering Course, Shield doesn't know how Himiko survived the Withering Course. Maybe it's because this is not Himeko, but aberration Himeko. I mean, imaginary Himeko, created by the real Himeko using miracle or something. So technically it's the same memory and everything, but without the course because it's creation. I don't know. That's something that possible at this point. But my question first, obviously, if Imaginai able to leave Palakaria or not. Because if yes, then maybe. If not, then it's not possible. Then I mean, Himiko probably real Himiko. You know what I mean?
もちろん、あの時俺がここにいたところで何もできなかっただろうと理解はしている。だがそれでも、あの一件で俺は決心したんだ。もしも自分の生きているうちに、また幻月遊戯が開催されたなら。
I did say that we're not gonna learn about Himiko family again this patch, but I guess I was wrong. Immediately in the second episode, they talk about the family history. Not already, you know what I mean.
だから今回、幻月が満ちると聞いて、すぐに飛んできたんだ。
Okay, so that was the reason why you're here at the end.
学院はあの火花という
Not in the beginning.
にめちゃくちゃにされていた。
みんなのピンチを救うのはうちら七死人に任せてよ。
ああ、ありがとう。ただ不思議なことに火花がここで大暴れしてから入学希望者の数が過去最高を記録した。
Why, I wonder.
今の時代ってものが
Social media, am I right? Influence. Okay. I feel like this whole conversation about Himiko is a hint about the thing that I said. Maybe it's true. This is imaginary Himiko, that one we with us the whole time. No weathering course. Yes, that's what I wanna say. Dolly, the one we met before.
わかったわ。じゃあ二人ともまずは資料室に向かいましょうか。
Himiko, are you imaginary?
ありがとう、父さん。
資料室の場所も
怪しい。
先生がいそうなのも 教室のあたりだよね。
Hello?
どういたしまして。そうだ。
Okay, the same thing. I wanna read these two things before we continue. Seem important. History of the family. Woo! Legend has it that the ancestor once ascend a tower. Yep, the Infinity Tower thing. It can compose all things. Is this Palancardia? In Palancardia, I mean, technically it's not Palancardia. Benzai Tengoku. There she witnessed the suffering of mortal. Okay, maybe it's not what I think it is. What do you mean? She witnessed suffering of mortal and descend to the world below to deliver them from. What? The. Thus she took Murata as her surname as a reminder of her original purpose. What Murata mean? Because reminder of her original purpose. Is Murata mean something important? Is this where this located? What is this giant tower anyway? Many Bajanesis apprentices of her family all call themselves inheritor of the art of Graphia. So that they share blood tie or hail from distant land to study under the Graphia lineage. The world in Canvas collectively refer to these Imagineers as the Graphia family. Are you saying there are chance that the Himeko line is not related to Graphia at all? Because, it's technically Graphia family, but who knows if the same lineage or different distant study under, anyway. She appeared on ancient Benzai Tengoku during the Cinderad Age. Wait a minute, Cinderad, yes, Cinderad Age is the era where, I read this somewhere, the era where the destruction invade Benzai Tengoku. Which is, how many Amber era ago, I don't remember. To enforce against Ultimate Legion, to get the systematic Imaginesis technology, the birth of the Imaginae provided the coalition with a massive influx of manpower, giving them a fighting chance to hold the ground against the Legion. It broke a new race, or call it also broke a new race to what would later become Palancardia. What do you mean a new race? Palancardia is not a race, it's a planet. At the end of the war, she sealed the world within painting. Okay, so that's what happened through the Phantasmoon game, and she has been silent ever since. Wait a minute, she sealed the world within painting through Phantasmoon game. Is Aha present during this whole thing or not? I thought Phantasmoon game is related to Aha. Where? Graphia eldest daughter, okay, biological daughter. She refined the natural principle of Imaginesis. Why create Imaginae? Okay, blah blah blah. That at the age of 41 from weathering. Oh, okay, weathering. I guess Himeko is. Well, not Himeko, this Himeko, but the Himeko in the past is the descendant of Graphia because the weathering course. So why did this? Why Himeko? How did Himeko cure Luminare? I know this name, Luminare, Lumirae. I've heard this one before. I don't know where. Second son of Graphia, founder of. Oh yeah, from the Aberrant Defense Force, Department of Aberrant Defense. So it is Lumirae. When his ancestor Graphia sealed the world, not massive number of monsters enter alongside it. Lumirae and intoxicated a giant serpent. With a pen and sever its head, he conjured a forest with oil. Disappear after succumbing to madness at 66. Okay. Succumbing to madness. This is also a hint. Every single descendant of Graphia family is a painter. We know that Ryusuke, Himeko's father, also a painter. And we know that Himeko 15 years ago also a painter because one of the thing talking about the red hair woman with the brush. But if you check Himeko today, there's no a single hint of Himeko being a painter. That's something that make my theory possibly true. I don't know about Imagine Himeko. I wonder why Himeko didn't paint for the last 15 years. Maybe she did. I don't remember she talked about that too. The only thing I know about Himeko is the whole coffee thing. Is that an attempt to paint using a black? Anyway, Sola, the first of her kind to attempt breaking the veteran course through imagination, she exhausts every bruise and drop of paint to pass her own fading form, gradually transforming into something between human and imaginary. Tapestry, at the age of 30, always 33, no 31, 33. All color drained from her body, leaving only black and white. Okay, so that's a weathering course. It's become black and white. Why this remind me of Nihilux? Because you know the whole manga thing. Okay, so that's weathering course, huh? Turn your body into black and white. Basically, become a pale. So yeah, the weathering course thing. Himiko actually Nevia. Legend has it that Nevia made friends easily and greeted people with kindness when she fell gravely ill, blah 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 blah. But none could break the weathering course, affecting the Gravias until the devil called in brought her away to survive after the life of other, and her illness would be cured. She painted forth monster of the Silver Age, living corpse beneath the night of by flame. Nevia sat poised on the back of an unspeakable monstrosity. Her features and beautiful, so innocent of her course with her father, ready number to strike her down, meeting his and along with her. Okay, so in the end, she still die, but different reason. The upheaval of Navia brought disgrace upon her family, and countless historical record and legacy were destroyed in an instant. Later generation would call her the daughter of Monter's Peace hero. Second victor of Fantasma. Okay, oh, one of the winner. The second winner of the Fantasma game. Oh, his whereabouts become a noun after he met Aha. Hero, huh? What if the full name of hero is Hiro Nakamura, who become, you know, one of the characters in the heroes? Anyway, Rohan, a once-in-a-century genius who died again, 29. Okay, so around the same age, 30 years old, around that age. Ryusuke now. Oh, Rohan is Himiko's mother. Husband of Rohan. Formerly known as Ryusuke Pizarro. This man from Batia has now taken the role of the Dean. Pizarro. Isn't Pizarro Masful? One of the the Pizarro family. One of them are also a supplicant during the thing 15 years ago. I don't know the connection between Ryusuke and that one. Maybe it's just nobody because you know it's a bigger family name. Okay, Ryusuke Pizarro, daughter of Rohan. Paris? What do you mean? Paris in the board game with her death, the Gravia line come to an end. Is the Himeko with us the imaginary made by the real Himeko, which consists of every single Himeko memory, which means technically it's Himeko, but like a clone. Which makes sense that she doesn't have weathering curse. Which is also confirmed that Himeko is 50 years old. I mean, older than 50 years old. Then 30 years old, I mean, not 50. What am I saying? So she is old. An adult woman. 30 something. Because Ryusuke assumed that she, you know, anyway. Interesting. Why I didn't check this before? One more. Secret record. Why this is the information we should know. Why it's here? The book is a secret family legacy. Edited what? Passed down through Gravia Academy. Hatopia or beyond. Oh, whether they come from Hatopia or beyond. Okay, so there's no the origin of Hat. Okay, so I see. When you said they, you mean AHA? Or single? Yeah. Okay, is it AHA? Every generation of the family has poured their heart, lifting the veteran course. Hero, the one who. Oh, so it's not the second one the second victor, but the second victor of the Phantasm Moon game, not the second victor from the family anyway. Hero who won the victor vanished after his audience with the laughter. This is interesting. This is a hint where something gonna happen about this hero, leaving behind only the warning that Elysian cannot heal the what? Why did hero disappear then? So Elysian cannot. What is this course anyway? Since future generation may still hope to have something from AHA, I still recording. Who is this record from? I mean, who recording this? I am. Which power is the core? Yep. Which power burden the supplicant? I don't need to read the description because it's too. Sola, one saw a supplicant sent to slay a monster. Jenny was actually her childhood friend. Branded a monster simply because they were born ugly. Oh. Interesting. Oh, so a wish power is not. It can also become a shackle, huh? Interesting. Yet the way countless wish turns her body into a puppet of the wishes. She could only strike the tear in her eyes as the crowd cheered. She even claimed she had long lost her ugly companion and her single tear was nothing but the quality of wish power. Love and hate. Yep. Wish power Assessor Lone Bright once lost the Phantasm game to the historic fictional legend Crimson Sky Bull. There's so many names here. I don't know if any of these names will be important later. The polluted city with thousands of urban legends, she transformed into a horror doesn't arm. His power is the culminant image. Plan to use divine authority in advance. Maybe since victory is guarantee. Okay, I see. Oh, that's flicker. Oh, I see. You cannot doing this in advance. Okay. Respect the rule. As a game born on a high swim, haha, swim. The rule is very hazy. Yep. And yet, in one line that must never be crossed. Cheat in the game. During the Canvas Age, which is the war in Canvas era, someone attempt to emulate the eternal supplicant of ancient Byzantine conclusion with the advantageous competition. 3 days later, while posting over clever trick, he vanished. Interesting. Are we gonna see something like this in the future? In the current supplicant game, that someone will be gone because AHA said no, you cheat or something. Anyway, let's continue. Oh, we have option in the show. Okay, we changed. This is really interesting. Wait a minute. It's the last one in the shadow of. I don't remember. I think it's still the same. In the shadow of the millennium, find the teacher. Yep, Miss Dolly, the one we saw before. Optional. Speak with the student in the corridor. Full wish, the people beloved daughter. Head of Seafield TV. Okay, it's not Full wish TV. Seafield TV. What? Leader of the Happiness Cult, survivor of the Bloodstained game 15 years ago. There are still many unanswered questions about her. Rally your companion to uncover what she been through over the past 15 years. Who is this summary talking? I mean, who sword is this? That's what I mean. So let's talk with the student as optional. Where? Oh, another. Why you have so many notes, Ryusuke? One more? Oh, this is so important about Himeko backstory. So they're living from the cult of the demon from beyond. This is the whole destruction. Harness the power of the. Okay, so the Phantasm game still exists before Gravia. But then in the beginning they said the Gravia come Tower of Infinity to the Mortal Land, which is assumed by Jai Tengoku. The description is a bit vague. Is the family come here after or before the whole Cinder Age stuff? I don't know. Gravia harness the one of using the sea as her canvas to hide the planet within the world in canvas. But all things come with a cost. Okay, so the course origin because of this whole thing. I see. I think I remember someone say this, but I forgot. The daughter slave priest. Why the daughter though? This is interesting. Shall be stripped of her flesh, trapped into death within her bed. The son shall be okay. The son as well. If that's the case, I mean it's 30 around 38, so there's still a chance to have descendant before the course took place. Where Lumirai belong beyond to the world, hereby God, the female descendant body suffer corrosion, limb wither, skin crack and split like a decaying painting, filling away layer by layer into dust. The male descendant mind are tortured, trapped in the dust. However, family be responsible to protect this planet. We cannot cause. There are three possible hypotheses. The sacrifice theory. To save the world, Zagavia has no choice but to trade her own life and the life of her descendant through the harassment game. Or equivalent exchange or something. So Aha still already here. Why did Aha didn't do anything about the destruction that attacking his planet? Technically Aha, I don't know, maybe we don't know the whole story about this incident anyway. The corrosion theory during the battle against the Ultimate Regions, he was struck by enemy force. That's not possible. We encountered Ultimate Legend multiple times. I don't think we heard about this on another being besides Gravia family. So nope, I don't think this is genetic theory. A gene of the Gravia may obtain hereditary material because this is actually the one possible thing. I think it is genetic. It's nothing to do with the sacrifice and corrosion. This genetic makes more sense. It's more of a biology. There's no cure. Fail. The Elixir Seeker help fail. Then why didn't Yusuke ask Himiko? Because Himiko said that she was gonna told Yusuke about the whole thing, veteran course. But then Yusuke said, no, you don't need to tell me that. Why, Yusuke? That's good for archiving in case in the future the veteran course happen again. Unless the reason why the game didn't say that why Himiko cure, because the thing that I said, the theory about Himiko being imaginary of the real Himiko. Anyway, where the option? Okay, over there. Oh, I wanna go to optional. Don't follow me, Mr. Dolly. Miss Dolly, I mean. I don't have to trigger you. Oh, why? Why? Is that physical magical girl? It looks like Madoka. It's pink. Don't tell me Evanesia is physical magical girl. Anyway. I wanna see the optional. Why are you following me?
先生、ここに戻ってきてそれなりに経つのに、なかなか会いに来られなくてごめんなさい。
Sensei. This is funny because Dolly, the record say Himiko die, but Dolly didn't seem to surprised that Himiko alive. I don't think when you first meet Dolly, she also says something about Himiko being dead. I don't know, maybe I forgot. Oh! So the mask was entrusted by Himiko after the end. Okay, so it's confirmed that this is Himiko then. Not imaginary Himiko. Why did the record say Himiko die? Is that record written by Himiko herself? So that people didn't search for her or something? That's why she wrote that Himiko is died during that in the record we just read.
長い間
That's
預か
why
って
her
もらっただ
father
けで
Risuke
十分助かったわ。
thought that
ありがと
Himiko
う。
is dying because right after this thing Himiko found the Astral Express and then just left without anything left behind. Anyway.
君は変わらないね。急ぎのようだけど、今日は何か用事
I
があ
don't
って
know
お
what the
帰り
optional
に
mean. Damn it. Well, full wish.
例の事件を生き延びたかわいそうなあの
Is full wish the only one who survived? Technically, Himiko also survived. It's weird. How many students are in this academy then? Because I believe it's only 30-something students, a class, not a whole student. So, are you saying full wish in the same class are the one who died, but then she survived? Is full wish imaginary?
事件の後、学校はあの子のために寄付を募った。涙を拭いながら、みんなに必死に頭を下げていた姿は、今もはっきり覚えているさ。
Okay.
かわいそうな話さ。
With her parent?
自分の命は助かったけど、両親を亡くして。学校じゃあの子が助かったの
Oh,
は
I think I see.
繋がってるからだなんて噂まで立てられて。
She not present in the academy back then
どうやって助かったんだ。
because her parent also died, which means
まったくひどいことを言う連中がいる
she was with her parent in home, which is Dobruk district. Remember the Herald of Death beside the school? They also do something in the Dobruk. I mean, doing the massacre in the Dobruk district. That's her home, I guess.
あの子は成績も優秀だったし、気立ても良かった。成功してからもよく学校に顔を見せに来てくれてね。卒業した後については何か聞いてたりしない？
She meet abundant faction.
大学を出た後、一人で天外への進学を選んだという話は聞いたよ。
Okay.
スターピースカンパニーに入る機会もあったらしいが、結局は故郷へ戻って倒産寸前の海原テレビの経営を
Okay, okay. I'm misunderstanding. Remember what I said about full wish thing? The reason why I said, is full wish descendant of the full wish TV? Is full wish the full name or family name or her name? That we know now that the name of the TV originally Seafield TV, it changed into full wish because full wish took over the TV. So there's no family. So why did Asfel? That's something I want to check. So I will check what Asfel's read back then with Kuchiba. That's some Asfel Kuchiba. I'm gonna make a note here just in case I forgot. Asfel Kuchiba note full wish. Okay, done. So she studied abroad. Maybe that's where she encountered. Wait, but her. It's weird. Her story when she told us her story back then, to Asfel and Kuchiba, it's not the same. She said that the old woman come to see her. Maybe it's the same, but it's just happened to be in different planet or something. Anyway.
天外への進学。先生、彼女の進学先について具体的に聞いたことは？
Let me guess. Jiangsu.
あいにく聞いたことはないね。テレビ局を引き継いだ後は次々企画を立ち上げて数年とかからずに事業規模を二総楽園
And
全国
become
まで拡大したって話だ
Sanctus
よ。
Medicus member.
私
ありがとう、先生。 いい話を聞かせてもらったわ。
Oh. Oh. The optional is still. Okay, so the actual real reason is head to the archive room. No wonder Miss Dolly appear in the corridor. Let's talk with the optional.
新たな棺魔の話が本当だったなんて ハド川で起きた事件も蘇った失言魔の仕業だって噂だよ。今度もまたこの学校で事件を起こすつもりだったらどうしよう。長期休暇を申請して家に引きこもってた方がいいかな。
I mean, why would the hell attacking the academy in the first place? It could attacking anyone, anywhere, if you know, if I know this is the squadron daybreak,
何を
but
ビビってるんだ。本当に失言魔が来るな
Oh,
ら、その
okay.
様子をライブ配信してインプ稼ぎに利用してやるさ。休む必要なんてない。
don't do
い
that.
ざとなったらそのまま学校を辞めてやる。知ってるぞ。15年前、ここの生徒を数百人も殺
With
したんだろ。
100? Okay, so it's not a class. I thought it was a class, the one we visit before.
数百人？そんなに多かったっけ？私が聞いたことあることといえば、当
Wait a
時の
minute.
事件現場
Are you
今も
exaggerating the
学校
actual
のことが残ってる
event,
って話くらいかな。
student? Huh,
なんだ
100?
か怖
Is that
くなって
right?
きた。
I feel like it's less than
もうこの
100.
話はやめて。
It's a
早く
classroom.
行こう。
If I remember, it's got blank in one when I read the whole incident. When the whole thing about supplicant goes out of control. There's something in the bottom description, blah blah blah. That it's in in
列車の人たちに
redacted
協力したら、
area.
もしかするとモフモフ号に出してもらえるかもしれないじゃんか。
You should ask Nihi looks for that.
有名になりたすぎてとうとうおかしくなっちゃったの？
Yeah, you obsessed to become famous. Interesting. So why we have option to do that?
興味のある方いませんか？
What I can take from that dialogue is the amount of the student, and people doesn't seem to care much. Some people don't. Instead, they want to see it. This is the room where we see
あの
Evanesia.
資料室の雰囲気ちょっと変だよね。薄気味悪いっていうか、なんか水炎みたい
Really?
な感じがする。
Are you sure?
15年前からこうだったわ。この資料室には生徒全員の成績が記録されてるから、絵の成績が良くなかった生徒たちなんかが期末試験のたびに恨みのこもった良くないものを描き出すのよ。ここにはかなりいろいろな資料が保管されてるみたいだし、父さんが整理してくれたもの以外にも何かないか探してみましょうか。できれば漫画の卒業後の足取りについての手がかりが欲しいわね。何度も母校を訪れてるって話だったし、きっと何かしら記録が残ってるはずよ。北条に関わる技術を彼女は一体どこから手に入れたのかしら。
I mean, Zhengzhou?
彼女の経歴
I
が
don't know.
それを探る糸口になればいいのだけど。
Mundus Medicus thing. I don't know if it's Jiangsu or maybe someone else. Okay, I just something I realized. If the student thing more than 100, so it's not a class, there is a chance that Fulvis is in the campus at the time, but it just happened to be her parent is in the Dobuk district, one of the casualty. But then why did they join the case together, even though if she and her parent in the different location, you know what I mean? Anyway, what is this? I think this was here before. I remember when in 4.0 I checked this area. Mr. Soda, lecture note hypothesis on imaginary evolution. Are you gonna skimming this one? Canvas edge, cinder edge, cinder edge. Cellular automation hypothesis. Okay, so yeah, Phantasmoon game exists before Graphia even a thing. Interesting. Which means Aha already in this planet. So yeah, why did Aha didn't do anything? Maybe Aha did do something, and the war is between Aha faction and Antimatter Legion. then, you know. Strangeling, yep, which is Imaginae. Oh, it is not until Graphia invent the technology Imaginae become. Okay, so that's where Imaginae become more sentient. Hypothesis. This is hypothesis, so I don't know if this is true or not. Not a theory, but hypothesis is before the theory, if you know what I mean. Morning actor perspective. Soul, bone, and flesh. Soul, that part is the one that hard to explain. I guess Miss 4 technically. Okay, makes sense. I'm sure. Primordial soup? What is this theory? I mean, hypothesis. The cake of what is this one? Hypothesis. Baking school claim. Okay, this is fake. Ultra cosmic baking compendium. What do you mean? The cake baked by AHA. Well, if we're talking about AHA, maybe this is the real one. I don't know. Sworn disaster. That's been all age ago. Divine battle. Propagation. Each other hair. What? Egg sugar stolen from the world end. What is this definition? Yoshi. Some solar see this as a proof of Yoshi existence during the. Yes, Yoshi is technically a younger Aeon. I believe Yoshi didn't exist during Swan disaster. And the same goes for Nanook. I believe Nanook also doesn't exist during the Swan disaster. So Aha is older than both of them. I forgot about that. I think I read this back then when we first doing the Divergent Universe stuff. The one with the Herta one, you know, before the new one. The one with Herta image. I don't know what you say. The one with Herta sitting in the chair. I think that's where I learned about this Yawashi. Because it's about Swarm disaster. Yes, Swarm. I remember one of the Simul Unisister is about Swarm disaster, which means this is before the Herta, before the Herta one, the first one, in fact, the Swarm disaster, the one that I read a bit, I think. For many years, I missed the flavor early. Okay. Why? Okay, let's say what is one. Okay, interesting about the whore pulling each other hair is just funny. This material will build up like construction material bisa di Clifford even though performing Phanarcadia. What? Phantasmoon? Cake of God? Using in time contest chief gather here to learn from Aha. What is this? Millennia later, the master baker finally created the cake of God using soil. And thus she named them Imaginae, and her name was I don't know. Is this the real one? This hypothesis, man. Confusing. Hello, March.
さあ、名探偵美月なのかのお出ましだよ。
Look at that. The image still there.
話してもらうんだから。
何かの誤解だ。
Oh,
勘違いだ。俺はただちょっと呪いを受けただけの
course?
同種で、ここから一歩も動けないし、何にも知らない。
Do you see if any
見つけた資料をお前たちに見せるよ。校長から言われただけだ。
Progi whiteboard? Do you see the thing before? If you are alive, this image here of her. Let's read the description first. Imagine examine the filing cabinet. That's the real one, but optional. We're gonna see the computer and sparkle doll. Why? Photo after photo, memory after memory. Are you starting to miss your school day too? Are you talking to me or to Trailblazer? Wake up, that's just more false memory. Sparky, okay, yeah, it is Trailblazer. Wake up, that's just false memory. Sparksy plan in Phantasman game. Better focus on gathering intel about full wish now. So this is a computer optional thing. Can we do it from here? Is this investigate? It is the poster. Getting out of flash was able to be exchanged from output. You remember seeing Evanesia? Why I click auto? Fateful encounter. Ready to slumber. You also remember her leading you by the hand of the Phantasmon Cordia, the ceremonial head to so-called Phantasmon game. She called you the protagonist. Maybe being the protagonist means you get to visit the court again. Makes sense, right? I mean, we can teleport there, yes, but no. When she said protagonist, that means she will be the rival, I think. Oh, we can go to... I see. This is how you enter Evanesia, I mean the court moon yard without teleporting. Interesting. Let's check the second one. You guessed at the pink hair girl in the painting render the meta. I'm supposed to check this in 4.0 then. You know, I don't know if I should do this before, but you know, I did it now. Meticulous Bruce work with delicate color and ethereal beauty. Her figure tone. Who drew her? In her show, what could be she thinking right now? She's thinking about Fluffy across the blue, obviously. You know what? That actually makes sense. Comic all of you. What? Why don't you ask about it? I should chat with you. Let's see if I get achievement if I talk to this painting. Movement of the supplicant in the Phantasmon game. A simple guess after all. When in the game, you see through yourself. When you see that through your other what? When you get a chance, you okay. We did talk with Vanessa again in the game. We talk about thriller. Fluffy Avastic Blue. Me? Who is this character narrator thing? Sweet Fantasy. You also have other Grand Fantasy when you have a chance. Yeah. Last one. She not thinking about anything at all. Wait, she kamu sudah airhead to you? Maybe. Are you spelling the bad too? Maybe you just sleep it for that. Yes, that's why I will teleport. Why? It's been an hour, so I will continue this next time. I wanna check if I can teleport to the same location. Oh, we can. Anything change? Maybe I should end every single episode here, just to check. Sandai still doesn't do anything. He will though, because the live stream mentioned that he and Ting Yuan gonna investigate the the Seeing Wish Syndicate area. So how did the Seeing Wish get the mask? That's what he gonna investigate. And also, yes, the thing that the one that who gonna do something, dispatch Silverwolf, and possibly, I mean not possibly you as well, and possibly Evanesia. I don't know if it's Evanesia or not, but it looks like her. Let's talk to her before we end the video. Are you gonna say something different now? Okay, the same thing. So yeah, that's all for... Okay, by the way, the three option here is exactly the three option that appear in the poster Fluffy, Phantasmon game, and more. I mean, our character. So maybe this is supposed to be after we talk with the poster. Not we talk, after we interact with the poster. Anyway, it's all for now. Until next time. Bye.